My name is Karen Behling, and I work as a physician at Duke Primary Care. I treat both adults and also children. I'm board certified in internal medicine, which is medicine for adults, and also board certified in pediatrics. I really enjoy working with newborns and their families. I understand the challenges of having a newborn infant. I have 2 children of my own, and it was a learning experience, even for a pediatrician, to have their own children. And I continue to learn new things from being a parent and also a physician. I also work with adults and enjoy seeing them for their general care, including management of high blood pressure, diabetes, lung issues, heart problems. I treat pretty much all of that. I find working with families by far the most satisfying part of my job. I get to know families and all of their complexities, and that part gives me great satisfaction. I have a tendency to try to practice evidence-based medicine, including an emphasis on preventative care and immunizations, and but also recognize that some people want a more holistic approach, and I think I'm able to provide that also.